All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert an image. For this project in particular, you needed to choose an image from the project that you were actually given, okay? So you had to scroll down in the project and find an image that you really liked and insert that one into the project, okay? I'm going to do this one here. What I need to do is make sure that I have the picture selected. If I just click near it and don't actually highlight the picture, I'm not going to get the copy option. So I'm going to right click, I'm going to choose copy. I'm going to go back to my presentation and click paste. Okay, obviously that's tiny, so I'm going to drag this and resize it. Okay, there is an image. Okay, if you were doing another type of project and images weren't already provided for you, okay, one way to do it is to search the web. And I'm going to search for, let's see, statue, human body. Let's see. Okay, here's one. I'm going to pull this one over. Okay, so I can do it like that. If I click on it, I can also choose insert. Okay, two options when I do it that way. Again, I would obviously have to resize it as it is too small. Okay. I'm going to insert another slide and show you another way. Okay, you can upload from the computer. So if by chance you had an image on your computer already, I have one prepared here, I can upload this picture. Okay, if you have pictures on your Google Drive, in Google Photos, or you can upload by a particular URL. Also, you could take a picture and insert it straight from the camera on your device. Okay, so those are the main ways to insert a photo into your Google slide.